Here is how to send a PDF via email. First of all, you need to go ahead and open a Google Chrome web browser and then go to Gmail, log into your account, and once logged in, click on the Compose button in the top left corner of your screen, and a new menu will appear where you can go ahead and create a new email. Look for the attached files icon that is between the formatting options and copy and insert link. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select your PDF file that you want to share. Then tap on open. PDF will now be attached to your email. Add the recipient's email address, then enter the subject if you want, then tap on send in the bottom of the screen. You can also tap on this drop-down menu beside it and then schedule the send. Once you tap on it, your PDF has now been sent. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.